Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain how different chess pieces moves on chessboard. So first of all we are starting from the rook. It is very easy to learn how to move a rook. So let's start. Rook can move horizontally any number of steps. For example, from this position rook can either move one step, two steps, three steps, four steps, or any number of steps. Similarly, it can move to the left. Also, it can move vertically any number of steps, up or down. So now we learn how bishops move. So I have two bishops here. So let us understand with this dark here bishop. Bishops moves diagonally. So for example, from this position, this bishop can move diagonally any number of steps. For example, this can move here, here. Also, this can capture this pawn. But this bishop cannot move here because from this position we cannot jump over a piece or a pawn. Only knight can jump over some pawn or piece. So this bishop can move diagonally any number of steps. So let me highlight a number of squares which are covered by this bishop. So these are the squares to which this bishop can move. So now let us understand how queen moves. So this queen can move both horizontally and vertically. Also it can move diagonally. For example, from this position this can move any number of steps to the right, any number of steps to the left, or from this position it can move upward any number of steps. Also it can move diagonally like bishop any number of steps. Let me highlight the squares which are covered by queen. So as you can see, lots of squares are covered by queen. Queen is the most powerful piece on the chessboard. Now let us understand how knight moves. So I have taken this example. So we have knight on the center of the board. From this position knight can move to 8 squares which I have highlighted. Here, 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 here and here. So to learn how knight move, we have to see that first we have to move straight 2 steps. For example, we can see 1, 2, and then we have to move either left or right. So we can move either to the left or to the right. Similarly, from in this direction we can see that either we can first we have to move 2 steps, 1, 2, and then we have to take either left or to the right. So similarly here 1, 2, left or right, and this. Now knight can jump over the pawn. For example, from this position it can move to this position also. So knight is the only piece in the chess which can jump over the other piece. Now let us understand how kings move on the chessboard. So this is white king. So king can move only one step in any direction. For example, from this position this king can move either here, or it can move here, or it can move here, or it can move here, or here, here, or here, or here. So from this position it can move in any direction but only one step. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe.